Welcome back to Rolling with Mike Armstrong at MiracleMotorMart.com. Once again, we are talking about the expansion of Miracle Motor Mart. How we have just gone to a new location at 5100 East Main Street. We still have 2380 Morse Road, our forefather, but we had to expand. We needed more room because you keep buying cars, and we expanded with a service department and a parts department. We also have parts right here at our 5100 East Main Street location. When I say parts department, I'm serious. Look, parts. So you get to come here for all your service needs, all your sales needs, right here at 5100 East Main Street. Miracle Motor Mart, expanding. We grew. We had to add because you keep buying cars from us. I love that. Wholesale pricing, the best prices on the planet. And now, best service in the planet, parts, whatever you need. Right here at Miracle Motor Mart, we're here to provide. Come on out, check us out. This is Mike Armstrong at MiracleMotorMart.com.